Everyone may be having an issue where for some reason you just updated Instagram and your Instagram application is still not working even after updating your application. Now, this is very common. The main reason why this ends up happening is mostly because Instagram is having an issue of some sort. So the first thing I'd recommend doing if there's still not an update available for Instagram, you may just want to go ahead and make your way over to a website like I mentioned all the time, like a downdetector.com. This is probably one of the better websites that I typically go to check the status of these websites. So there's tons of different websites like this. You want to scroll down over here until you see Instagram. Now, if it's not number one, then it's probably not having an issue. If it's a pretty straight line like this, it's probably not having an issue either. So all you want to do is look out for outliers. Are they having, a lot of people having issues, different things like that. If no, then you probably have nothing to worry about in that standpoint. The next thing I'd recommend doing though is trying to find your Instagram application and seeing if you can remove it and delete it. A majority of the time, if an update is not fixing your problem, whatever the problem is, you may just want to go ahead and hold down the application like this, click remove app, and just delete this application from your phone. Now at that point, once it's deleted, you want to make your way back into your app store and you want to re-download the specific piece of software. So go ahead and click re-download or reinstall or the cloud icon pointing down. And at that point, Instagram, a majority of the time, it end up being fixed. And from my opinion, from everything I've seen before, that is probably all you will have to do. Now, if it's still not working, you may want to check your internet connection, your Wi-Fi, everything like that. And you may also want to make sure you have enough storage on your device. You may just want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings. You want to find your storage settings. If you have an iPhone, it's here. If you have an Android, it's within system settings most of the time. And all you want to do here is see how much storage you have left. If you have a lot of storage left, then you should be okay. If you don't have any storage left at all, that may be the problem why Instagram and maybe some other applications on your phone are not working either. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it for the most part. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.